Hey, what's up guys? Surge here. So the LG G7 ThinQ has just landed and the phone looks interesting enough with a promising dual camera setup and quad DAC for the 3.5mm headphone jack, but for whatever reason AT&T won't be selling it. The company confirmed this news shortly after the G7 announcement, and now we might have our first look at the phone that will be replacing it, the LG V35 ThinQ. A spokesperson for AT&T recently said that it would be launching a new LG device this summer only from AT&T in place of the LG G7 ThinQ, and now Android Headlines has shared renders of what the exclusive phone will look like. The V35 ThinQ branding at the back indicates that it will be a continuation of the V30 from last year. The highlighting points of this device are its dual camera setup, which was previously rumored to be 16 megapixel, its large screen that is said to be of 6 inches, and most importantly, the V35 ThinQ will be lacking the infamous notch. Instead, LG seems to have decided to go with the slim bezel design for its next premium flagship. Now the images don't come with any spec details, but separately, Android Headlines has heard from LG that the reason the G7 ThinQ does not have an OLED display is that the company is reserving that tech for its V line. Apparently, it sees the V range as more innovative, less mainstream and potentially more expensive, that supposedly make OLED a better fit for it. We have seen OLED on other V series handsets, and it's generally considered to be a better display tech than LCD, thanks in part to the superior contrast it offers. So if you want a new OLED flagship from LG, you'll have to wait for the V35 ThinQ or V40 ThinQ, which is expected to arrive later this year. So yeah, tell me if you'll skip the LG G7 ThinQ for the LG V35 ThinQ in the comments down below, and appreciate for your precious view on my video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.